are watching Melody Lane. With me, you're gonna have a great crafting time.
Hi, guys.
Hello.
Hello.
We're in a different place.
We are. It's like we
Teleported.
That's the word. That's what I was looking for. Yeah. That would have been a lot quicker.
Yeah.
To get here.
Yeah, would have. A lot quicker.
Now we're coming from my basement cove.
Cove. Yes. For real.
It's a little like you can turn the one chair around. You had to stay one direction so I can turn the chair around.
Yeah.
So the reason we're coming to you guys is
there's a mystery box.
Why am I looking over there like the camera's over there?
The camera's right there.
I'm talking to the light. Oh Lord. Alright, so we have a mystery box, guys.
A mystery box. Let's
We're opening it. We have not looked in this yet, so we do not know what is in here.
I'm looking in it right now.
You gonna tell us what's in it? Oh.
There's one of these.
Okay, that's most important. We all know what comes in this box. It's a cutie. I have to always figure out where the camera is.
It's not on the computer.
Alright, so we do have a cutie, and we'll get to that. But, what all do we have in here? We have some premium vinyl, and this is the bright sampler, and you are going to get 6 sheets of the 12x12. So, it's hard to see, but it is the rainbow. So you're going to get red, orange, yellow, green, and blue in the 12x12 sheets of the premium vinyl.
After you showed this one, you should show one of those Bitmojis.
Oh, yeah. We should. Okay. Next up, patterns in Leopard. You're going to get 2 of the 12x12 sheets. So you're going to get one of the solid color and then one of the Leopard pattern. And, does Melody have to say about that? Wild! That's so cute with the peacock. I just bought a peacock for my yard. That reminds me of Melody. I love that. All right. What else do we have up in the box, Alex?
Let's go with this one next.
Some more.
Infusible ink.
And this is going to be in true blue. So very blue.
Very blue.
Pretty. Infusible ink. And you're going to get 2 12x12 sheets of that. We just set this whole thing up. So cameras, we're looking the wrong place. Bear with us. Yes.
Removable vinyl.
I like the pattern.
I do too.
The black and white leaves is actually very cool. And this is called Nature Walk Basics Sampler. So, as you can see there, the black and the white print. And there's also 2 other black and white prints. One's like the herringbone or the chevron, and one's got the arrows. So if you can see it there, actually all really modern and cool design.
Transfer tape.
Very needed.
Always needed.
Always needed. You can always use more. Transfer tape, and this one is going to be, the roll is 12 by 48 inches. So you got 48 inches of transfer tape.
Bugs. More infusible ink.
Oh, this is fun. Especially for the jungle safari, the little bugs. Remember the story? I just had a centipede fall down my shirt yesterday. It was a real thing. I got a video of them. But anyway, so the infusible inks in the jungle safari pattern. So you have one that is got the little bugs on it, and then one that looks kind of like camouflage-ish, a yellow, and a light green. So in this, you're going to get 4 of the 12x12 sheets.
Very cool.
Very cool.
Infusible ink pens.
Infusible.
Is that pens or markers?
Infusible ink markers.
Markers.
So we have the 5-pack here. Pink, blue, green, brown, and black. And infusible ink, these are 1.0. So use those on mugs, shirts, all of those good stuff. Ooh, shiny. I like shiny.
Yeah.
Shiny makes me happy.
So you got foil transfer sheets, 3 different colors.
So you're going to get the green, the purple, and it's aqua, purple, and emerald, actually. So in here you got 24 of the 4x6 inch sheets.
And this is paper. Look, actual paper.
Ooh, wait,
paper.
Zootopia.
Zootopia.
Oh, that's exciting.
There's donuts.
There is donuts.
There's donuts.
There's so much cuteness. Oh, I was like, what is that?
I feel like I should
Zootopia.
make a donut card for my friend because I'm driving really far to get donuts.
You are. You're driving 8 hours. He's driving 8 hours to get donuts. You're taking your little brother with you, though.
I am.
Yep. So we were hoping his little brother could be in the video with us today because he was here. He had to be home early, and computer didn't come until too late, so it could not happen. But you're gonna get in this deluxe paper 12 different sheets. So there is 12 different sheets here. I'm gonna go ahead and show you guys the back of the different prints.
Pretty cool.
These are Zootopia. I love that movie.
And
Cracks me
now
up. The little sloths that work at the DMV. Have you ever seen it?
I haven't seen Zootopia.
It's literally like, in Illinois, Bradley, how slow they are at the DMV.
Oh,
They
yeah.
literally have sloths working in it on the movie.
You know what's awesome in Florida?
Huh?
The DMVs are wonderful. That's all that's in the
That's
box.
it. That's everything.
But you have to show what color.
Last but not least, because we've got a cutie. Woo-hoo. So what cutie do we have? He is the Emerald Cutie.
Party.
He's cute.
I like
He
that
was
color.
out in 2020.
Yeah.
So he
I
is
like
a
that dark
re-release.
green.
He's cute. He's a perfect jungle color too.
I have your cuties up here peeking,
Can you see my little cuties?
peeking in the rainbow.
They need a little stage so they can sit higher. So, but that's everything in this box, and this box is $59.99, and you do have to be access.
Access. It's got a Cricut cutie in it, so it's access only.
Yep.
However, you get discount if you have access. Access.
That's the thing. It's never really that price.
Yeah, it's never actually
Because you have to be
$59.99.
access, which means you get a discount, so it's never $59.99.
Yeah.
So, but the savings on this was like 55% savings on this.
Okay.
So that is a good savings.
It
And that
is.
Disney Zootopia paper is so cute. I always like the themed little releases
Yeah,
of paper because
yeah.
they're not out always.
That's true.
Who
true.
doesn't love the animals? So today, right after this, we're supposed to be doing a video, but we will not have our Tuesday live because all of this equipment just came in. So we had no time to prepare because they lost this computer it was supposed to be here
3
Friday.
days ago, 4
Yeah,
days.
we thought it was gone and never coming,
Yeah.
but it finally got delivered. So, but I'll be here Friday
I
to
won't
do
be.
design. Yeah,
I'll be coming back with donuts.
I'll be coming back with donuts.
They're not going to be fresh.
So, but it will be me, so I'll come to you on Friday, and
I may jump into the video though and chat with you.
okay, that'd be cool. But we're going to do our Tuesday craft. That's supposed to be right after this video. Actually, we're going to do that on Wednesday. So we will be doing it same time, just different day. So we hope you guys join us there.
Please
Join us. Right?
join us.
Right? So as we get used to the whole setup and everything. So
This is a one-person setup for sure.
you should have been
There's
here.
a wall behind me. Like,
It was so funny. I needed to turn my chair. I was stuck in the corner, and Alex had to stay one direction because we
There's
couldn't.
just
We were
not
just
enough
like,
room.
we can't move. The other option was to climb under the table, but man,
Yeah,
what a
I'm not
nightmare
doing
that is.
I can
So,
stand up after that.
yeah, until one of my kids move out, and I could take over their bedroom.
Yeah.
Or Matt gives up the pool table, which, let's
That's
be
not gonna
real,
happen.
that's his one
There's
corner
no
of the
way,
house.
yeah.
It's his one corner. No, the kids will have to move out before he'll give up his
Yeah,
pool
right.
table area. He might move me out if I get rid of the pool table area. So,
All right.
but go ahead and buy this. Quantities are really limited. So make sure you buy now because by the end of the day, it will more than likely be gone.
Especially with a cutie in it. So.
The cutie. Yep.
And there's actual paper in here and Infusible Ink. This is a good one. I
yeah,
like it.
and transfer tape. You can always use
Yeah.
transfer tape. I can never have enough of that stuff. So,
For sure.
thank you guys for joining us. We hope you liked, and links are all below. Bye, guys. Happy crafting.
Toodles.